Hey guys, David Dodge, the discount property investor. Today's video is going to be about how I became a millionaire flipping properties, flipping real estate. Before we get started, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and comment down below saying I subscribe to enter this month's shout out giveaway. We shout out one lucky person every month who subscribes and comments saying I subscribe. So don't forget to do that. Again, this video is going to be about how I became a millionaire flipping real estate. And it's actually very, very simple to make money in real estate and to become a millionaire flipping real estate. So my name is David Dodge. I'm the discount property investor. And the reason that I'm the discount property investor is A, I have a podcast all about flipping properties at a discount. But two, I don't buy properties at retail. I only buy properties at a discount. And to become a successful real estate investor, no matter what you want to do, if you want to wholesale properties, if you want to fix and flip properties, if you want to add properties to your portfolio of rentals, you need to learn how to buy properties at a discount. So I like to specialize in wholesaling properties. Wholesaling is really where I got my feet wet in real estate investing, but also it is where I get the very best of the best deals. So let's talk a little bit about what is wholesaling. Well, wholesaling is nothing more than finding a motivated seller, marketing to that individual that you have a service that you can provide them, and you essentially offer to purchase their property for a discount, and in return, your service is providing them convenience. And that's all we're really doing in wholesaling is we're finding a motivated seller, we're trading them convenience, aka help them get out of their problem by buying a property cash, closing quickly, little to no inspections, so on and so forth. And in return, we ask them for a discount on a piece of property. So I've been doing real estate full-time for about 15 years, but I've only been doing it full-time for a little over 4 years. The first 10, 11 years that I was investing, it was buying properties at retail. I wasn't getting them at a discount. And I was buying maybe one house a year on average for the first about 10, 11 years. I was paying retail for these properties. I was buying them as rental properties. I was putting 20% down. And man, oh man, about 5 years ago, I learned about wholesaling. And since that day, I have yet to buy a property for retail. Everything I buy is at a discount. And essentially, I buy these properties to wholesale, fix and flip, or add to my portfolio of rentals. Now, when I buy a property, no matter what, or even make an offer, I make an offer at a discount. If the seller has a property that they're looking to sell and they aren't willing to trade it to me for a discount, I'm not interested in that property. I don't need to buy any property. However, I love buying properties, but I have to buy them at a discount in order for it to make sense to me. Now, when I buy a property, I do one of three things like I mentioned before. I buy it to wholesale, I buy it to fix and flip, or I buy it as a rental. Now, I always start out the exact same way. I do my very best to locate a motivated seller. Some of my best leads most of my leads come from motivated sellers. I make them an offer to purchase their real estate. And then from there, they either tell me, yes, we can do a deal, or no, this isn't gonna work. And then I just follow up with them and I circle back in a couple weeks. I like to cherry pick the best of the best deals for my own rental portfolio or fix and flip opportunities. We also do a lot of fix and flip at my company. The ones that aren't the best deals, we wholesale those deals off. So essentially we have a motto, keep the best, sell the rest. And it's very, very simple. So when I come across a property that I think is gonna make a good rental or a good fix and flip, and I got it via wholesale marketing or marketing to motivated sellers, I keep that piece of property for myself. The best of the best fix and flips have $30,000 plus profit potential. And rental properties, we have some criteria. We need at least $20,000 in equity. I'd like to be all into that property for $0. And the last third piece of that is I need to be making at least $250 to $300. Now that's the minimum per month on that piece of real estate. So that's called cash flow, the amount of money that's left over after all of the income comes in and all the expenses are paid. What's left? The cash flow. Now, I've also wholesaled over 400 pieces of property with my partners. And our average wholesale fee is anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 in St. Louis, Missouri, where I live. Now, in other markets, they may experience higher wholesales. I know some friends that wholesale in Florida and Texas, in New Jersey and New York, some out in California. And a lot of these markets may be more expensive or more difficult to come across good deals, and they can value those deals at a higher price, meaning that their average wholesales might be 10, 12, 15, maybe even as much as 20 or 30,000. For me, the average wholesale deal is between 6 and 8,000. So to date, I have done over 400 of these wholesale deals. And if let's say we even use a conservative number of just $5,000 per deal, multiply that by 400 properties, that's $2 million that we have brought in just in wholesale alone. That does not include the fix and flip profits. That also does not include any of the equity that I have in my rental portfolio. The rental portfolio alone has over $1 million in equity. So I have become a millionaire buying, selling, fixing, flipping, and of course, my personal favorite, buying and holding properties as rentals, okay? This business is extremely easy if you learn how to find motivated sellers and market directly to them. The coolest part is once you have yourself a motivated seller and you're able to work out a deal with them, or you can provide them a service in exchange for a discount, and that service could be several things. To me, that service looks like quick sale, a cash offer that doesn't have a bunch of contingencies for financing, so on and so forth. And then of course, little to no inspections, where I do my own inspections, and I typically do those inspections during the process of due diligence in that contract with that seller. So for the most part, there's lots and lots of ways to invest into real estate. I have become a millionaire flipping houses and buying rental properties. You can do this too. It is not that difficult. If you're looking how to get started investing in real estate and you don't have a ton of money, that is okay. I have built a free course on how to get started investing in real estate via wholesale. And this course teaches you how to market to motivated sellers, how to use contracts to lock these properties up, how to negotiate with these people, how to determine repair estimates. And then once you get the property under contract, how to then take that contract to the marketplace, to all the other investors and cash buyers out there, and then sell that contract to these individuals. It is really not that difficult, guys. I want to teach you how to do this. Again, check out that free course, and please subscribe and comment below that you have subscribed, and let me know that you've watched this video. I love helping people, and I highly encourage you guys to take the free course. Becoming a millionaire in real estate investing is really not that hard. It just takes a little bit of hustle and a lot of follow-up. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to do all that in the course. I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks.